But I'm back. I'm going out and buy something. So I stop at the lumber yard. Then maybe buy paint and show. But yeah. Well, the reason is Christmas season coming up in November already. And in Guyana, whatever needs to be done, like maybe you buy new furniture or maybe you upgrade or renovate your house. But yeah, we're doing some repairs, and one of the repair is this. It actually get kicked out, hit the thing and the thing fall out, so gotta repair it now. Yeah, and then we can change couple boards on the step. Yeah, so follow me today and then we can see what really doing, how the day going. Yeah, my cousin, he there here and he measuring it. Yeah. All my deal on the yard, trying to get some lumber, so let me see the exact I can get. Oh, Rick, Sai.
Hi. Everybody doing some shopping materials. And that's about it for the holiday. Things get better for the coming year.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, enjoy your day.
Yeah. So let me see what go on, and then let me see how we.
Yeah, you can play with the 14 feet. There's 2 extra feet. Yeah, I can't wait for it. Not be.
Another place trying to pick up some nails.
Oh, you gotta go
So,
buy
yeah.
it.
Where? By who? Over the road. It's best. Yeah, it's best you walk on go. Yeah, trying to pick up some nails, and if we get some paint, that would be really nice. Finally finished. We get some nails. Main thing we buy paint, we just go home and nail it up and continue with it until maybe later on this month or next month we go buy the paint. Guys, a set of paint is a different set of different colors. Yeah, and why you didn't want me ask at discount to the nails? Anything you could get a discount is good.
Yes.
Stopping, getting something to drink before you head back home. And buy maybe of course, the parking. I'm back home now. I'm upset. Why I'm upset? Because some inconsiderate person parked yard so close to me. Yard so close. It's like it had no more space. Anyway, you're gonna see. I'm gonna show you how I put up with. You see it? You see the scratch? Eh? You know why? Because of some inconsiderate person who look for park in front you driveway They come for wherever and they park it in front you drive. Watch. And then got another car right over on the one side. Watch. So now you got to level up and move and twist and all empty. And the person that's somewhere around here and they can't come out. They say, oh, let me move back. And if you check it, watch his space. There is how much space it got. But apparently, this house attracting the cars. I don't know. Yeah. You don't finish the tree there. 3 step. So you gotta continue painting. Just like how these rest say paint, you gotta continue painting, and they say you gotta paint too. So yeah, later on this month or next month when I get time, I'll do for the Christmas.